Welcome to Sun Outdoors Marathon, your perfect Florida Keys escape. We're located right in the heart of the Middle Keys. Perfect if you're seeking adventure, relaxation, or simply time to reconnect. Paradise is waiting just beyond your doorstep. Here, the ocean isn't just the view. It's part of every experience. We are perfectly positioned right on the ocean front, which means immediate access to your adventure, thanks to our private 13-slip marina. Spend your day fishing the famous reefs or snorkeling the clear turquoise waters. However you dream of staying, we've got your home base covered. Roll your RV right in with ease. Choose from our standard, premium, or elite RV lots, all fully equipped with water, electric, and sewer hookups for ultimate convenience. Or step into your own beach cottage. Our rentals are fully stocked, featuring private lounge spaces and dining areas designed for relaxation after a long day on the water. Prefer a classic stay? Our Key West-style motel offers beautifully decorated rooms, including 3 cozy efficiency suites. Our vibe is pure fun under the sun, and our amenities are built for unforgettable days. Splash into the sparkling waters of our pool, gather with friends at the Tiki Hut grill area, or unwind around our cozy open fire pits as the sun sets over the Gulf. Ready for the water? Our full-service marina makes launching your vessel a breeze. And after you've successfully chased that bucket list catch, head straight to our dedicated fish cleaning station to prepare your keeper. We are also proudly pet-friendly. Your 4-legged friends are part of the family, and they'll love running free in our dedicated dog park. Your minutes from the best of the Middle Keys. Dive into incredible local attractions like the world-famous Dolphin Research Center and the inspiring Turtle Hospital. Soak up the sun at the famous Sombrero Beach, or head downtown for fantastic dining and unique shopping. At Sun Outdoors Marathon, our dedicated crew is here to ensure you create lasting family memories under the Florida sunshine. We can't wait to welcome you to paradise.